Ain't that something? Marwa had the audacity to call Modesta Lifestyle and Black Beauty TV again witches and wizards. Well, Marwa and Dimongo, you could call me the Warlock. Burn, fire, burn. Hey, listen though, man, I want to say something to you today before I even get this thing started. Davey Jr., I must hand you the crown back, brother. Davey Jr., I must hand you the crown back. You wanna know why? Because David Jr. is starting to keep it real, David. That's what we was asking you for, to keep it real. You better watch your brother and your sister, don't follow them up. David Jr., they got the village on fire right now. So David Jr., I must tell you, brother, I give you much respect. Much respect. Because you coming out and telling the truth. Don't fall for the hype. Don't get caught up in the scam and hype. Because let me tell you something, all eyes on that village right now. They wondering why all eyes on that village. You want to know why all eyes on that village? Because they done did some people dirty in the past. And guess what? We don't believe in the future that you change. Ain't nothing change. You don't play people out of money. You don't change up on people. You pretend to people you cool with them. But at the end of the day, it's all fake and phony. Your own brother exposing who you really are behind closed doors, Marwa and Dimongo. Y'all know what time it is. So only thing I'm going to tell y'all is be careful. Anybody that's in that village, that come through that village, y'all better be careful. Because let me tell you something, all eyes going to be on y'all. That's the only thing we going to say. And we ain't playing no games. None. I promise you that. So let me tell y'all something. If y'all get caught up in the hype, get ready for the repercussions. And that's real talk. And be careful who y'all call witches and wizards. Because we going to show y'all what a witch and wizard look like. So you call me a warlock.
It's the King of Trouble talk show with real experience, with real culture and people across the world. Let's travel!
All right, man. Beautiful day in the neighborhood. Beautiful day in the neighborhood. So let's clarify a few things before we even get started. To the audience, we don't care that people are getting donations. I want you to understand this. But what we want is people to just be honest about the donations. And if the crowd come to them and say, can you show the receipt that this is what you did buy with the donations? Just be willing to show the receipt. I'm going to tell y'all something maybe what y'all don't know. But a lot of people have came to y'all on y'all page and wanted to know about certain donations. And you know what I'm saying? Let's go for Marwa, Dimongo, anybody that asked for donations. They have came on y'all page and asked about a donation that they donated towards y'all. And they just asked a simple question. But I guess y'all moderators is deleting the comments. That's becoming a problem. Don't delete no comment when somebody is asking you for evidence for their donation. Because once you delete their comment, that's when they come to us. So let me just tell y'all, maybe y'all don't know what the whole situation is. They start coming to us and messaging us and letting us know that, well, they wanted to ask a simple question and y'all delete the comment. I must give much props to Fellow the Boy, another king of Africa. Fellow the Boy, Marwa, called this man a scammer. Oh my God. The king scammer called Fellow the Boy a scammer. But everything backfired on Marwa because Fellow the Boy said, no, I ain't getting caught up with this here, bro. Fellow the Boy knew better. And let me tell you something, God bless Fellow the Boy. Everything going great for Fellow the Boy. Y'all make sure y'all check him out, man. He's doing some great work over there, man. He's still billing. He's still making people happy. People still donating money towards him. And he's showing people the receipts. So the thing is, the problem is this. Y'all should not ask people for money And then when they give y'all the money, the donation money, y'all moderators is deleting the comment when they question y'all about the money. This is why all this is starting up. I don't know if you think that we hate no donations. No, we're not hating no donations. Not at all. We're hating the fact that if somebody question y'all about money that they invested, answer their question. Make sure you have the receipts by any means necessary, just in case. Because people are concerned. Right now, people in economic situations, and people take some of their money and donate towards y'all, and they want to make sure that y'all doing the right thing with the money. So sometime in life, always be prepared to show a receipt. Look at Fellow the Boy. Fellow the Boy had no problem showing the receipt because there was no scamming with him. He didn't mind being transparent with the audience. Just as well as you could ask the audience for stuff, you could show the audience receipt if they need the receipt. That's the only thing we seeing. See, y'all getting yourself in a bunch of problems. Y'all think somebody hating on y'all and people coming against y'all because people donating towards y'all. No. We're not hating on y'all because people donating towards y'all. We're basically saying to y'all that you have to be transparent with people money. Bro, like, you have to understand, and it's just this reality, bro. Marwa, you know just as well as I know, Aaron, Dante, and all of them know this. They could sit there and pretend that they have not lived a lifestyle of playing thieves and robbers and playing games with people, but they have. You know, I have not seen one person say anything about the Jamaican guy. Man, listen, do you know how many thousands of dollars this man spent with D-Mongo? Man, y'all look at the video. Y'all, and I'm going to keep bringing him up because y'all need to know. Because y'all act like these Marwa are my angels and we supposed to trust everything they do. No way in a million years. They took thousands of dollars from this man, right? Pretend they was going to do an Airbnb with him. And guess what they did? And you know what, Davey Jr., you have witnessed that too. Because in the interview, even the Jamaican guy said you told him that you was telling him that you was going to try to figure something out about the situation. So Davey Jr., you was a part of it too, but I understand Mar was your brother, D-Mongo your sister, so you probably didn't want to get involved too much. But anyways, they took thousands from this man and pretty much block him on every social media. Even Marwa lied to this man, said he was going to get everything straight and contact him and block him on everything. Man, reach out to him over and over and over again. Guess what he did? Continue blocking this man. And you think that we're going to play that with Marwa with him? You think we're going to trust Marwa after he done did that to people? Man, come on, man. Y'all need to be for real. Anybody that's sitting there a hater, guess what? You a scammer too. That's why you saying that we haters. Let me tell you something. The king real. Nobody can ever say that I ever played somebody. When it come to money or anything, you feel me? I'm a solid dude. I don't run and play with people money. You feel me? And I tell people in my country all that all the time in America. That's why I don't like to deal with people because bro, y'all wrong. You know what I'm saying? Y'all can say what y'all want to say. Even what I said about Aaron putting up that money, it's a battle. Oh, so Dr. D donated 500. So I guess Dr. M going to donate 700. So I guess Dr. J going to donate 1,000. So I guess Dr. This one going to donate 2,000. Y'all trying to play a bid and scamming game with your audience, man. Y'all playing on their emotions. We know what y'all doing. Oh, yes, we do. It's simple like this. And I'm going to say it again. Aaron Dante, you're a millionaire. Go finish the towels with Marwa and we cool with it, bro. We have no problem. But the audience is coming to us reactors now. Well, I just want to let you know that if you don't know that. Because y'all moderators is deleting comments. They say they don't come on plenty of y'all pages asking about certain situations. Ask y'all about the Afro-Indians, y'all disrespect them. Y'all disrespecting people that's asking y'all about the Afro-Indians. First of all, your numbers was not right when it comes to the Afro-Indians, first of all. The second thing is, when it's all said and done, let's get past the numbers. How you going to get these Afro-Indians through immigration? Like, what is your plans? So my whole thing at the same time, your partner Marwa said they was going to put the Afro-Indians on first class. So, like, it's all a bunch of games and gimmicks that y'all playing. So you got to be careful what come out your mouth. Because we on it, bro. We not stupid. But like I say, man, I gotta say this, and I gotta give a big shout out to Davey Jr. Davey Jr., listen, be transparent no matter what, bro. Uncle Mo, anybody in that village, y'all better be transparent. If y'all want to ask people for donations, if they ever ask y'all for receipts, y'all need to pull up receipts. Y'all should not have no problem showing nobody that y'all doing the right thing with money. That's the only thing people are asking. I mean, you got to think about it, bro. Your brother, Marwa, took thousands of dollars from somebody and think. Even when it come to McKelly Ponte, Marwa could have paid that man some money, bro. Come on, bro. That man did all that work and all that filming. You ain't going to pay that man no money? You know what I'm saying? Real talk. Marwa, we could see right through the whole situation, brother. I know what time it is with you. And at the same time, you talk about people jealous and haters. Man, guess what, bro? At the same time, I bet you in your own village, you hit the fact of more come up. I bet you in your own village, you hit the fact that, guess what? You ain't the only one that people looking at now. I know you hit the fact that fellow the boy could get donations from people. I know you hit the fact that other people giving other people in your village respect. You wanted everybody under you, but now you mad because people look like they're rising above you. That's all it is. You hating, bro. So you're the hater. You're hating on your own people because they come up in life. Bro, it is what it is, man. Listen, they've been down long enough, bro. Real talk. Oh, guess what? Not everybody have to come to Marwa and beg Marwa for position. Because just like David Jr. said, I'm glad I could come on my own platform and speak. Speak to the people and let them know what time it is. So it's like this right here. Only thing I'm going to tell anybody in that village, be careful. Because we on it. 24-hour surveillance. We're not playing no games. Oh, yes, we are. Trust and believe that. And at the end of the day, remember this. Y'all caused this on yourself. And let me tell y'all a little secret. Marwa and D-Mongo, be careful where y'all say the Modesta lifestyle and Black Beauty TV. Just be careful what come out y'all mouth. And I'm going to leave it just like that. And be careful what y'all say about any of the reactors. I'm going to leave it just like that. Peace.
King of Travel, we love your channel. People really crack me up with how confused they are about life. Let's normalize being real and not fake.
It's the King of Travel.